Right, so now we went past the tutorial level, and now we're coming into a room that actually requires you to use the principles and skills that you've learned in the tutorial level to solve an actual environmental puzzle. One thing that I really wanted to teach the player was to stand still and watch how things move as soon as he starts moving, and how things move when he stands still. Because I think this is really important for future puzzles, that the player knows this, because the rooms will get bigger and maybe overwhelm a little bit. So I see that there's a pusher pushing you off the elevator, there's a platform moving from left to right, and there's an actual elevator to get me up on that platform. Now, what I have to do is get to the other side first and then see how they link together. So that's actually a window of opportunity right there, which I now missed. So you see that like the game actually kind of taunts you a little bit, because I saw like, hey, I can get on the elevator and I can get to the moving platform, but as soon as I start moving, the platform went away again. That's what I meant about looking into kind of anticipating and kind of looking into the future to get where you need to go. So now I'm just going to jump down and I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to get on the elevator. The moving platform's coming right there. And the really nice thing is that I can actually time it a little bit. As soon as I move a little bit, I see what's going to happen. And this is how you have to solve the actual puzzles. Now comes a jump, which is actually kind of hard, because the platform's moving up and this one's going to move to the right. So I have to anticipate the jump and get on the platform. So the puzzles look pretty easy, but once you're playing them, it's actually pretty hard to constantly think ahead and think about what's going to happen next and anticipate your jumps and your agility on that. So now I'm going to go to the next room, which will actually introduce another principle into the game.